Hey guys, I'm back. I've got another video for my shop. I'll be doing a project and it should greatly improve my shop. So I'm excited to get this done. I'll show you what I got today. So here's what I currently am using in my shop. This was here when I moved in, and I've been using it as a chop saw station. And if I need to use my benchtop tools, I move the saw and set my tools up there. So I would really like to have separate benches, one for a chop saw station, as well as another bench for all my benchtop tools. So I'll be removing this and installing a new set of cabinets and installing my benchtop tools. As I get started taking this apart, the tabletop is in pretty good shape and I want to reuse this for my new workstation. So I'm going to carefully take this off, so I don't want to hammer on this too hard or break anything while I'm taking it apart. So it'll take a little extra time to save this and reuse it, but I think it's worth it and it'll save money at the same time. Now that it's taken apart, it's just a matter of cleaning up all the junk that I have stored under here and organizing it, and then cleaning up the mess before installing the new cabinets. And as you can see, this space underneath was just kind of wasted. It was a catch-all for any materials that I wasn't using at the time, and it wasn't even neatly stored. So this new cabinet will be really nice to have a more useful space, and it'll clean up my shop and organize it a bit more. Here's the cabinets that I've got. They aren't the greatest, but I'm hoping to be able to modify these to fit whatever tools and whatever needs I have for this cabinet. But it was free and it's 100 times better than what I had. And this will give me a lot more storage and organization in my shop, which will give me more space to work and get around. Before I reuse this tabletop, I need to pull out all the nails that they used to fasten this down and clean it up before mounting it onto my new cabinets. Alright, so here's the finished workbench. I decided to use my benchtop tools on this instead of my chop saw. The cabinets look like they're made for either a kitchen counter or a vanity. Has spot for 2 sinks in it, and that makes these cabinets a little weird for tools to fit in here, so I'll probably expand those doors a little bit so I can easily get in and out. The drawers are fine, they work good. They're not super heavy duty for tools, but it should be fine. I might have to beef those up a little bit as well. I went ahead and installed an outlet for this workbench so I don't have to fool around with any extension cords and easily plug them in and out if I need to. I did not mount down these tools yet just because I haven't built a chop saw station yet, so when I need to use my chop saw, I move these out of the way temporarily. This should be fixed soon. I'm planning on building a new chop saw station in the near future, but this really helps out a lot with the space in my shop. I can get all these tools off the shelf and put it on my workbench, as well as store everything that I need underneath and organize a lot of my smaller tools. Here's a before and after picture of my workbench. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Sometimes you just have to get creative when working within a budget and find something for free and just repurpose it instead of just going and buying something new. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, just hit that like button down below or hit subscribe if you have not already. That way it will remind you when I upload a new video and you won't miss out. Okay guys, I'll see you in the next one.